Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin the RAM upgrade process for your HP Pavilion. 550. You will need a few essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. Make sure to power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. First, place your laptop upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically DS screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Be cautious not to damage any clips. After removing the panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the components. If you don't have an anti-static wrist strap, you can touch a metal object to discharge any static. Now, locate the RAM slots. You will see the existing RAM module secured by small clips on either side. To remove the RAM, gently push the clips outward, and the RAM will pop up at an angle. Carefully pull the RAM module out of the slot. If you are upgrading, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at 30 degree angle and press down until the clips click into place. If you are unsure about the compatibility of the RAM, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right components. After installing the new RAM, it's time to reassemble your laptop by place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring it fits snugly. Insert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Once everything is back in place, flip your laptop over and power it on. Enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F12 or delete. Check if the new RAM is recognized. If it shows the correct amount, you're all set. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, once you've confirmed the RAM upgrade is successful, you can enjoy improved performance for your HP Pavilion 550. Regularly cleaning the internal components can also help maintain optimal performance. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will ensure your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you with all your laptop needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.